Let's talk about MDG. Just do it simple. MDG. Just do it simple. MDG with MDG.
Hi there. Welcome to the podcast where master data governance gets simple, fast, and fun. Welcome to episode 9 of the Master Data Governance Podcast. I'm Max Data, and today we're talking about a topic that's often underestimated in digital transformation projects, compliance, and how it's fundamentally linked to your master data. Let's start with a simple truth. Most compliance risks don't begin in the legal department. They begin in your data. A missing VAT ID on a vendor record, a customer created without confirmation of GDPR consent, a material marked for the wrong product group. Each of these seems small, even trivial, but each one can lead to reporting inconsistencies, failed audits, blocked shipments, regulatory fines. In fact, many companies spend enormous effort cleaning up data after the audit has flagged the issue, instead of preventing the issue at the source. This is where master data governance becomes essential. It's not just about efficiency. It's about risk mitigation. With a governance framework in place, your organization can ensure that critical fields like tax IDs, compliance flags, or ESG indicators are mandatory and validated. Make sure only authorized users can change sensitive data with a full audit trail. Embed compliance policies directly into the data creation process, not just in manuals. Automate approvals with workflows to ensure accountability and transparency. Instead of relying on after-the-fact controls, governance builds preventive controls into the system. You shift from checking compliance to enabling compliance by design. Let's look at a practical example. A global industrial company implemented governance rules around vendor creation. They introduced templates and role-based workflows for every supplier type. Mandatory tax data and ESG-related fields were enforced, and all new entries went through a clean, trackable approval process. The result? A 60% reduction in post-creation data corrections, full traceability for audits, and faster vendor onboarding. Because everything was right the first time, they didn't just get better data. They got lower risk exposure and less friction in their operations. Compliance isn't just about satisfying regulations. It's about building trust with customers, with auditors, and with your own executive board. Master data governance is a way to prove you know your data, you control your data, and you can defend your decisions based on that data. Whether it's SOX, GDPR, CSRD, KYC, or internal controls, your governance setup defines how ready you really are. And that's exactly what SimpleMDG helps you operationalize, not through extra work, but by building these rules into the natural way you create, approve, and manage data. So to summarize, compliance starts with data. Governance gives you control and transparency. And master data is the layer where it all connects. If you want to stay compliant in a digital world, you need master data governance that works. Thanks for listening. In the next episode, we'll show you how SimpleMDG handles mass updates without sacrificing control or compliance. Until then, stay compliant, stay trusted, stay data-driven.
Curious how this could work for your company? Let's talk. Contact us at info@bag-consult.com.